become your lie. See, the problem about a lie, listen real good. If you tell yourself 100 lies, the mind will believe the lie, ultimately making the lie the truth. The mind will start believing its own foolishness.
Come on, dude.
People believe their own foolishness. And the reason why they believe their own foolishness is because they allow themselves to keep telling themselves lies.
Right.
The greatest lie ever told is one told to oneself. If you keep lying to yourself, your mind is going to believe your lie.
Right.
I was able to change being broke because I told myself I was broke. I got tired of being broke. I got tired of making excuses. I got tired of whining about life. No one is exempt from pain, suffering, death. Life happens whether you like it or not. No one is exempt. At the end of the day, you got to wake up tomorrow and say, I'm willing to roll with the punches because life going to keep hitting me whether I like it or not. I'm going to tell you something. Sometimes when life keep hitting you, sometimes you get too used to being hit. And the problem is you don't hit life back.
Right.
And that's the issue. What I started doing, I started hitting life back. I said, you want to hit me, I'm going to hit you back. You want to hit me, I'm going to hit you back. And eventually life let up on me because it see I wasn't willing to suffer. I wasn't willing to quit. There's no quitting me. I don't know what sitting around waiting for something to happen. I'm going to make it happen.
Make it happen.
I'm going to make it happen. No more excuses. I'm tired of people telling me my life is this way, but yet and still 10 years go by and they still doing the same thing. That is the definition of insanity. Doing the same thing every day, but expecting different results. A lot of people are misdiagnosed with insanity. They really need to get their minds checked. And the reason why I say they need to get their minds checked is because they really believe that if I keep sitting down telling myself I'm going to be rich, I'm going to be rich. That is cap. That is the biggest cap ever told. Manifestation does not work that way. The Bible says faith without work means equals dead. It's nothing. And by believing, it's one thing. But the manifestation comes from the work.
Yes.
It comes from the work.
Action.
It's the action. Spend less time talking about what you're going to do. Spend more time on the action. And I bet you get better results.